Welcome to the future of adventure-ready pickup trucks. Introducing the 2025 Honda Ridgeline, a bold evolution of one of Honda's most versatile and reliable vehicles. Redesigned to merge rugged capability with everyday comfort, the new Ridgeline is more refined, more intelligent, and more powerful than ever before. Whether you're hitting the trails, hauling gear, or navigating city streets, the 2025 Ridgeline promises to elevate every journey with style and strength. Under the hood, the 2025 Ridgeline is powered by Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering around 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Honda's iVTM4 all-wheel drive system returns, now with improved torque vectoring for even better traction and off-road stability. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, gravel, or mud, the Ridgeline remains confident and composed. And yes, it still tows, with up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. It's ready for trailers, boats, or anything your weekend plans require. Inside, the Ridgeline continues to blur the lines between rugged and refined. The 2025 model features an upgraded cabin with soft-touch materials, a redesigned center console, and more tech than ever before. The new 12.3-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital instrument cluster brings customizable information right to your fingertips. A premium sound system, wireless charging, and enhanced noise insulation make the cabin feel like a true sanctuary on wheels. One of the Ridgeline's signature features also returns: the in-bed trunk. Water-resistant and lockable, it's perfect for storing tools, gear, or even filling with ice and drinks for your next tailgate. Combined with the dual-action tailgate and a composite bed that resists dents and scratches, the Ridgeline remains one of the most functional pickups in its class. So, whether you're a weekend warrior, a daily commuter, or someone who needs a little of both, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline delivers. Smart, strong, and it's ready for anything. This isn't just a pickup, it's a Honda. Reliable, refined, and reimagined for a new generation of drivers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive content right here.